Coming to you live from Nasdaq in Chicago, welcome to a special Thursday edition of Advisory Live. I'm your host, Will Briganti from Nasdaq Corporate Solutions, and joining me is Tony DeMel. Tony, good to have you here.
Great to be here.
All right, so we're going to talk about MiFID II. So I've got two questions for you. Obviously, this is a super important topic for investor relations professionals. This regulation is going to go into effect next January. So what can investor relations professionals do to prepare for this?
Yeah, absolutely. So, with MiFID II, we expect, a continuation of the sell-side contraction that we've been seeing already through passive investing, really exploding this year.
Yeah.
So one thing that, investor relations professionals can really get ahead of is making sure that, with a smaller sell side, that they're, spearheading their marketing efforts, getting out there, still keeping their story going when the sell side might not be as vocal on their stock-specific story. The other thing that is going to be really important is really honing in on those targeting efforts, not making sure not only that you are getting out there and telling your story, but that the group of investors that you're getting in front of are receptive to that as well.
Awesome. And how is the Nasdaq Advisory Services team kind of poised and ready to help our clients?
Yeah, absolutely. So in Nasdaq Corporate Solutions, in our targeting efforts to help our clients with MiFID, we've really moved away from firm level targeting and closely into people level targeting. What this means is instead of just pointing to a city and saying, meet with these 10 firms, we're saying these are the people in this city that will be most receptive to your story based upon their past investing and what they've shown. So people level targeting is really going to be important for MiFID going forward. And then the second thing too is through our new IR Analytics platform, which we'll be releasing soon, we're introducing interaction benchmarking. So essentially not only saying, how are you doing on your own as a company and getting on the road, but how are you doing compared to, the sector or the markets?
All right.
Are you doing more or less? What can be improved on? And really making sure that time is allocated in the best way that it possibly can be.
All right, Tony. Perfect insight. Thank you so much for joining me today here in Chicago.
Absolutely.
It's great to be here, and we look forward to talking to you soon about this important topic.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, awesome.